everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all well. Sally is back. She's in the salon and she is going to be getting new hair today. So I purchased another wig off of AliExpress, the exact same one that I used in my previous video. I'll pop a link below if you've not seen it yet. And yeah, I'm going to be changing this hair colour up. So it's already come with roots, which I really like because I feel like it kind of just looks a little bit more natural when you're wearing a wig if it's got a bit of root. And also it's the same colour as my eyebrows, so it just blends really well when I'm wearing it. And yeah, so I got the blonde colour. I'll pop a link below to the wig listing on AliExpress. It's a human hair wig. I can't remember the density. I think it's like 150 maybe. I might even be making it up, but there's a few different densities and a few different lengths. I think this is the 10-inch length hair. Yeah, it's basically pretty much similar length to mine now, so hopefully it'll look super natural. And I'm going to be dyeing it today in a rainbow style. So I have got Moonchild, which is this amazing purpley shade. I've then got Juicy, which is this kind of hot deep pink. I have got Tweet, which is yellow, and I've got Mint Ice, which is this amazing pastel-y green colour. And I'm basically just going to be grabbing strands and colouring them in any of these colours I've got here. I'm going to do the top little bit of a section in the Moonchild colour first, and then I'll be taking random strands just because I kind of want the top layer to be all one colour, but like a very, very thin bit of the top layer, probably like this much of the hair, just so that sits on top and then all the other colours underneath will start coming through. I don't know if this is going to work. Fingers are crossed. I really, really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Let's get dyeing Sally. Guys, me and Sally are back. It worked pretty well. This is the finished result. Now the lilac didn't take too well. It kind of tinted it a bit lilac, but then a bit grey. But the rest of the colours, the yellow worked so well, the green and that pink worked amazingly. Look at that. Oh, it looks so good. Let's get it on and style it up. Oh my god guys, this is the finished wig. I'm literally in love. It looks so good. The colour has came out amazingly. It's super pigmented. Oh my god, I'm literally gonna have so many coloured wigs now. Like, it's so fun to just play around with the dyes, and I'm just so pleased with how this looks. It looks quite natural. I love it. The only downside is that the parting is on this side and I'm used to wearing it on that side. That's the only downside. So the wig, when you get it, actually already comes with the parting already in it, which is here. So yeah, so it's really hard to kind of create a new part and flip it over. I did it with the split hair one. It's not too bad, but you can't really go completely the other way. But yeah, I'm so pleased with it. I love it. It looks super natural. Again, it's human hair. I'll pop a link below if you're interested in checking the wig out. I'll also link below to the hair dye. It was from Lime Crime. It is their unicorn hair range, and it was all of the full coverage semi-permanent dyes that I used. And yeah, oh my god, I'm so excited to take my wig out. It is so good. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.